Hi children, how are you? Today all of you open page number 130. Now see the remaining lesson, our food and our health. Think what other things can be used instead of plastic tumblers and plates. See, in the place of plastic plates and tumblers, what we can use? We can use steel plates and steel glasses or tumblers. Now what can be done to avoid wastage of food and water during marriages and parties? What we should do? We should cook required quantities only. How much we need, that much quantity we should cook, and how much we need, that much only we should take in the plate. In this way we can avoid wastage of food and water during marriages and parties. Now see, leaves of butia, modhga and banyan tree are used as plates. See, in olden days what we have used? We used banyan tree leaves and modhga leaves as our food eating plates. Now since ancient times we have been using leaves for eating. From ancient days only we are using these leaves as plates. Now they decompose in less times. See why we are using these leaves? They are getting decomposed easily in the less time, easily and again in and taking less time. Now thus they protect our environment. They are protecting environment. In the place of these leaves we are using now plastic tumblers and plates. Now does they protect our environment? Yes, they protect our environment. Plastic plates are harmful to health and also lead to soil pollution. See, if we are using that plastic plates and tumblers, they are causing harmful to our health also and leading to soil pollution. Now open page 131 and see them. Think, have you ever seen leaf plates? Where did you see them? See children, did you see that leaf plates anywhere? Yes, you can see, you can observe anywhere in your grandmother's homes. Where did you see them? You can see in your grandmother's homes. That grandmothers prepare. See here in the picture, she is preparing, stitching that leaves and making plate. Like that only your grandmothers also stitch that leaf. What they made of? They are made from leaves. They are made from leaves. Now wastage of food at home. Wastage of food at home. Food is not only wasted in parties and functions. Food is wasted in our homes also. See how it is wasted. Now you have seen how food is wasted in functions. Is food is wasted at home too? Yes. If food is wasted in our home also. How it is wasted? See. Let us see now. Now if food is cooked in excess, then it goes waste. See, if we are cooking more food, then we are not eating that food. Then it becomes waste only. Yes or no? So all should cook required amount of food only. Now leftover food is thrown as waste. Now see, whatever your leftover food is thrown, you are throwing in dustbin. Yes or no? Now some people spill food while eating and some waste food without eating completely. Some people what they are doing? They are throwing food particles around the plate or the box. Some people wasting the food without eating completely. Means they are not liking to eat, they throw in dustbin. Like that wastage of food is happen at home. Now food grains like rice, wheat, pulses like grams and oil seeds like groundnuts are attacked by insects and fungi, causing decay and damage to them. See now food grains like rice, you are throwing that food grains like rice, wheat, pulses and another grams you are throwing what happened? They are attacked by some insects and fungi, causing decay and damage to them. Now hence to avoid these, neem leaves are placed in the storage bags. See, to avoid these attacks from insects and fungi, we are keeping their neem leaves in the storage bags and huge bins. Now rats also spoil the stored food grains Ants make the sugar and jaggery unusable. Now you are storing these all types of materials, yes or no? Rice, wheat, pulses, like grams, oils and seeds. See, in order to protect them, we are keeping their neem leaves and in the storage bags and huge bins. Now rats also spoiling food grains. You can observe upon in your home that ants will come on the sugar and jaggery. Can you use that sugar again and again? You cannot use that. It become unuseful. Yes or no? Now, have you ever felt bad while throwing away food and spoiled food grains? Now, whenever you are throwing food, no, whenever you are not feeling, whenever you are feeling as it is extra food, you are throwing away. That time you are throwing time, you are feeling that as it, how you are feeling, bad or good? Say if yes. If you are feeling bad, why did you feel so? So now, did you know how do we get the food we eat? Did you know how do we get the food we eat? Now discuss in groups. Now where do we buy groceries like rice, dal and other items? See, where do we buy these groceries like rice, dal and other items? We buy them in grocery shop. Now where do we buy vegetables? We buy vegetables in the market or any right bazaar. Who cultivates them? Who cultivates them? Farmers cultivates them and sell in the market. Now where do fruits and vegetables and food grains to the market come from? See from where they are coming, these fruits and vegetables and fruit grains. They are coming from different places. Exchanges are happening, no? Imports and exports are happening. That's why they are coming from different place to the market. Now name the different peoples who help us in growing the different food grains. Now who help us in growing the food grains? Farmers. Farmers only help us in different to grow different types of food grains. Farmers only help us in the different steps involved to grow different food grains. Now turn your page, children, 132. See here, observe the pictures given below. We get rice from paddy. We are getting this rice from paddy. Now observe the people who work for us in obtaining rice from paddy. Now observe the people who are working to obtain rice from paddy. Now your question is clear now. Do you know how do we get the food wheat? Now this is the process going on and how we are getting the food from. Now see, making agricultural tools and implements. See who are making here. Some farmers are making agriculture tools and implements. Now then there are some farmers here doing watering crops. Not only men, women also working in the agricultural fields. Now harvesting the crop and storing in bags. What they are doing here, see, they are harvesting the crop and storing in gunny bags. Now selling the crop at the market. Now they are selling, they are transporting to the crop to the market. Now buying food grains at grocery shop. Now you buying this grocery rice at grocery shop. Now eating food obtained with the efforts and labor of different people. See, you are buying and cooking, yes or no? Buying and giving to your mother is cooking food and then you are eating the food. See, these are the efforts to be made in order to get our food what we eat every day. See, these all are the farmers who work in the agriculture fields in the different steps in order to make us available the food. Now you see page number 133. Now the food we eat is the result of the effort and labors of different people like farmers, agriculturists, agricultural laborers, etc. Till now you observe the pictures here, no? They are the persons responsible, laborers and farmers and agricultural laborers responsible for the food we eat now, today. Now with the combined effort of different people, we get many types of grains, fruits, vegetables and other food materials. See, so many people are working here, not only one man or woman doing work, so many members are making their efforts to get, in order to get different types of fruits, grains and vegetables and other food materials. Now farmers and agricultural laborers till the soil, sow the seeds. Farmers and agriculture, what they are doing in order to produce paddy, they are tilling the soil, then they sow the seeds, then afterwards harvest the crop and put lots efforts to make food items available to us at our doorstep. Now farmers, what they are doing, they are tilling the soil and sowing the seeds, then they are harvesting the crop, then they are transferring the crops to the market, then they are putting, like this, they are putting lots of effort to make food items available for us nowadays. Now after learning about the hard work and laborer behind the production of food, one should not waste it. See, now you know the hard work of the laborers and the farmers who are producing this food. No, they are doing more hard work. So no one should waste the food. Use food wisely and eat completely. Now you use food and eat completely. See how much you are needed, that much only you are cooking and eating it completely. Now care must be taken in storing the grains, as insects and ants may spoil them. Whenever you are storing that rice and grains, you should take some care, otherwise insects and ants may spoil them. Now we must follow safe and protective practices to protect food from rats. So we must follow safe and protective measures to protect the crops and other grains. We should not spray any chemicals. If we are spraying, it will cause harm to us. So we should take safe and protective measures to protect food from rats. Now cooking food in excess, throwing away leftover food should be avoided. So everyone now should avoid cooking food in excess, and throwing away the left food should be avoided. So now you understood whose hard work is going on in order to get the food we eat. So from now onwards, you should not throw your food, or you should eat it completely. You should cook the food according to your required quantities, and you should not throw your food. Now let us read keywords once. Eating together, wastage, worms and insects, microorganisms, laborers, agriculturalists, agricultural laborers, agricultural implements, farmers, food grains, efforts, environment. Now this is your lesson, children, our food and our health. Okay children, bye all of you.